Karachi Rotary International District 3271 installed Shahzad Sabir as district governor for 2026 to 27 during a ceremony held at PC Hotel Karachi. The event also featured the launch of the commemorative book, 100 Years of Rotary Service in Pakistan, marking a century of Rotary's humanitarian service in the country. Jennifer A. Scott, Director 2025 to 27. Rotary International attended the ceremony as chief guest. She was joined by past trustee Aziz Mimad, past Rotary International Director Mohammed Faz Kidwai, PDG M. Iqbal Qureshi, and immediate past District Governor Shakil Khaim Kadi. The event celebrated a century of Rotary's humanitarian service in Pakistan through the launch of the commemorative publication, 100 Years of Rotary Service in Pakistan.